Please.
This is a book.
Pops? Hurry, before he gets it. Ah, you're a good boy. No. Bo. Watch his tail, Layla. It's a deathly weapon.
Mine, it's mine. That's mine.
Careful. Cartoons? Why don't you come and eat? Hey, Bo. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. You're my good boy.
Oh, hey, what do you got, Layla?
A bagel. Thank you. Good boy. My good boy. What, you think you're going to get something? You think you're going to get something?
That's mine.
Layla, come take a bite, baby. Hurry, hurry, hurry before Bo gets it. Come here, hurry, hurry. Hurry. Oh no, Bo's gonna get it. Hurry, hurry.
That's mine. That's mine. Oh, stop biting. She's a shark.
Come here, Bo. Alright, sit. Good boy. Give me a high five. Ah, high five. Good job. Down. Down. Come on. Down.
Unless
Down.
Susan might have left that open at that page too.
Oh yeah. He's such a good boy.
Like that. Of course, those are those thick ones that she just said she didn't want. Hey, nice jump. Nice jump.
I love you, Bo. I love you, Bo.
Hey.
She's driving you crazy. What do you want? High five. Good job. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Yeah, boo-boo?
No, bubble.
Oh, bubbles. No, oh, no bubbles. No bubbles.
Bo.
No bubbles.